Exodus or Shemot by Naomi, Leah, Amelia, Sarah, Gabe, Jake, and Liam.
Pharaoh, the king of Egypt, made a law that all of the firstborn sons that were Jewish would be murdered. So Moses' mom put Moses in a basket on the Nile River to be found by the Pharaoh's daughter. Moses was raised as an Egyptian.
Pharaoh was enslaving all the Jews in Egypt. He forced them to work through the night. They longed for water and had no breaks of working in the hot sun. Moses wanted a change. Moses was walking and he saw a bush on fire. It was God's way of telling Moses that the Jews needed a leader. They needed someone to help make a change for the Jews. Moses ran to Pharaoh and said, "Let my people go."
Next came the plagues. There were 9 of them. Waters turned to blood, frogs, lice, flies, death and disease of livestock, boils, hail thunderstorms, locusts, darkness for 3 days, and finally the death of firstborn sons. But the Jews put the blood of a lamb over their door. The death angel would pass over their door, and their firstborn son wouldn't be killed. This is the origin of the holiday Passover.
Shut up! You shut up! Once again, Moses came to Pharaoh, begging him to let the Jews go. And this time Pharaoh said yes. So the Jews went to the Red Sea, but Pharaoh changed his mind and chased him all the way there. Moses parted the sea, and the Jews walked through, and the waves came crashing down on Pharaoh. And so the Jews lived, and the Egyptians didn't.
The Jewish people wander in the desert for years and years. When they finally found a place to settle, the Israelites complain. At first they had no water. God gives them water. The people say it tastes bad, so God makes it taste good. So on and so forth. Then it's about food. God says to the people, only take what you need. But when they complain,
Moses was always doing his work, judging the Israelites' problems. Yitro, Moses' non-Jewish father-in-law, wanted Moses to spend more time with his family. He knew he had 2 options. 1, complain to Moses, who had promised to be better but not actually do anything, or come up with a solution. The solution was to appoint Jews as judges so they too could judge problems. Moses trained them and was soon spending more time with his family, but enough time working too.
some lessons we learn from Exodus: don't take all the power/leadership. Ask for help when you need it. Acknowledge what you have and not what you don't have. Don't complain when someone does a good deed for you. Try to be an optimist. Treat people equally. Have trust in others. Don't rely just on yourself.